I'm Angelico Gracious, Extension Officer, Village Panchayat from BDO Office, as the presiding officer for the election of Sarpanch and Deputy Sarpanch of Village Panchayat, Warka. 8 members attended: Francisco Simon Rosario Fernandez, Crossley Charlton Jose Francisco Lawrence, Shalini Rosette Melvin Pereira, Anthony absent, Tercy Melina Policarpo J. De Costa, Romario Piedad Pereira, Rosario Leo Pedro Paulo Cardozo, Vicentina Constalina Roland Pereira Fernandez, Roland Percebino Domingo Miguel Socorro Fernandez. 8 were present, 1 absent. For the Sarpanch post, Crossley Charlton Joseph Francisco Lorenzo filled a form proposed by Francisco Simão Rosario Fernandez, seconded by Rosario Leo Pedro Paulo Cardozo. Same way, Deputy Sarpanch Tercy Carmelina Policarpo J. De Costa, and which is proposed by Shalini Rosette Melvin Pereira, seconded by Romario Piedad Pereira. Both are elected unopposed. Election, no withdrawal is there. Therefore, I, being the presiding officer, declare Sarpanch Crossley Charlton Jose Francisco Lawrence elected unopposed for the post of Sarpanch of VP Warka, and Srimati Tercy Carmelina Policarpo J. De Costa elected unopposed for the post of Deputy Sarpanch of Village Panchayat Warka.
पयले सुवातेर हांव आमच्या देवा कारकां दिता आनी दुसरें म्हणल्यार म्हजे बरा आसलेले 100 मेंबर तांकां हांव काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. Without their support, like I would have never become a Sarpanch today. We had a lot of difficulties which the other people, the opposition's approach, which was all going through our way. We were very firm, and today we got the day to become a Sarpanch and deputy. See, as a Sarpanch, it is my duty to do the development of the village, which I will take a lot of interest with my members. My 6 members are very firm with me, and I know they are very supportive, so they will help me out in this. A lot of works have been pending, like we had jobs of 14 finance which were pending, not been followed up by the previous Sarpanch. So it is my duty to follow up with this.